Hey, what's up you guys? It's Zach with PCBros. We have another desk yet again, and this time I am going over the Vernal L-shaped standing desk, and I'm gonna also build it at the end, so stay tuned for that, giving it a little review, but let's first jump into what this desk is all about. So this is an L-shaped desk. It is a premium price point here, and we'll see if that price point is worth it. I have built a similar desk a couple weeks ago, if you've seen that video. Let's see how it compares. So when spending this much on a desk, it's kind of nice to see free shipping and quick assembly. We're gonna see about that and I'll let you know how it was building it. But it looks like this desk is pretty standard and nice build quality. There is a range of different sizes here. We have chosen the 72 inch by 60 inch, and we went with this bamboo and the white legs. I think it gets cheaper too if you choose different ones. Let's see. Yeah, if you do all white, you have just under 500, and that seems to be a Black Friday sale, so that's pretty awesome. And then you can go different sizes. And here's a pretty cool feature. It looks like these sides with the logo come off and can be replaced with some accessories. Looks like that can hold a PC, which would be pretty awesome. And then you have a little extension, some more space. This is pretty cool. There's a lot of customization with this one. Holy cow, there's like a whole bunch of different stuff you can buy. Oh, that's kind of clean. It has the nice cable management cover like the other desk I did. I liked that. So I can't wait to jump in and build this and see how it is. So let's cut to when I get the desk and start building. So the desk is finally here, and this time it came in 2 big boxes, and they were both extremely heavy, so make sure you plan accordingly. We also did get the shelf accessory for the desk, but I will not be building that or going over that in this video. So let's jump right into the 2 boxes here. One of the boxes has the desk top, and the other one has most of the hardware and the legs and stuff like that. At this point in the year, I have built probably like 4 or 5 desks, so I'm getting kind of used to how these work. I like to set out all the parts first so I know what I'm working with, and I know nothing got messed up in shipping, and that way I can grab the pieces and go pretty easily. But this desk is pretty large, so make sure you have a good space to build this in. Jumping into the directions, this desk looked extremely similar to build as the other L-shaped desk that I built about a week ago. Honestly, each step was extremely easy. This might even have been easier to build than the other one. I love how these screws are pretty much the same screws that you used throughout the whole build. It made it extremely easy, and these directions were actually easier to follow than the other desk. I really appreciated that. And I actually had to build 2 of these, one for the PCBros builder and then one for ToastyBros on their side of the office as well. And the first time I built it, it took maybe an hour, maybe a little bit less. I didn't really time, but that second time only took me about like 30 minutes. It was really easy. So on their website, they advertise quick assembly. This is actually one of those desks that look a lot harder to build than it actually was. Now, having a quick to build desk is only part of what makes a desk like this good, especially if you're spending so much. You want to make sure the build quality is there as well, and I gotta say it definitely is. This might actually be one of my favorite overall L-shaped standing desks. Because we do a lot of videos on desk builds and getting them for ad spots, I've seen a lot of desks come in and out of this office, and this is one of my favorites for sure. The only issue I was having, and it's not really even an issue or a fault of the desk, is that it just was really heavy, so I needed help to flip it. I didn't exactly follow the directions right. In the directions, it said to flip it and then add that next section of the desk, but I just built it all while it was laying flat, and then I flipped it after, which made it harder. They added it in the directions for a reason, so it's easier to do as one person. But because we had 3 of us, I was able to flip it over, and it was all right. But wouldn't recommend doing that because it puts a lot of pressure on the desk when you flip it, but I was just kind of trying to go quick. Now, I might make a video later about some of the accessories for this desk, like the shelves or the extension or the PC little stand on the side. I think all of those would just make this desk even better. Even though this desk is really good to stand alone, here is the finished desk, and we use this specifically for PC building. And it has plenty of room, extremely sturdy, which is what you want when you are building heavy PCs on this desk. There is absolutely no major issues that I could find. The cable management looks clean, the branding is clean and minimal, and I just love how it all turned out. Again, this is one of my favorite desks that I have built on this channel and that I've seen come through the office. And if you are interested in a high-end L-shaped standing desk, then definitely check this out. The link will be down below. But thank you all so much for watching. Let me know what other desks or products that I should review on this channel, and I'll see you all in the next one.